Hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Rachel. In this EFT tapping, I am going to do it. If you're feeling that you're in the energy of being a little too needy and a little too obsessive with an SP, this is to help get it out of your body, help you get rid of it. So that way you can get into a more neutral, grounded state here and bring that person in. And I will apologize right now. My kitty won't leave me alone and I don't want to lock him in another room. So I'm going to try to do this with my kitty here without bugging us too much here. So, all right, let's get started. Big breath in. Big breath out. Another big breath in. Big breath out. If you need to shake it out here. I'm just feeling I need to shake it out for a second here. Okay. All right. Side of the hand. Even though I feel needy and obsessed with my SP, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though I keep focusing on them and it feels heavy, I choose peace and freedom. Even though I've been clinging and obsessed, I'm open to letting go and trusting love. Okay, inside the eyebrow, I notice this neediness in me. Side of the eye, I'm sorry for putting so much pressure on myself and them. Under the eye, please forgive me for holding on so tightly. Under the nose, thank you for showing me where I still need to love myself. On the chin, I love you, inner child, even when you feel desperate. On the collarbone, I release this obsessive energy now. I let it all go. Under the arm, I choose peace and calm instead. Top of the head, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Next part, we're back to the side of the hand. Even though part of me fears letting go, I know love doesn't need to be forced. Even though I thought obsession kept me safe, I now see it blocks love. Even though I've been needy, I choose to be whole and magnetic now. Side the eyebrow. I am safe when I relax. Side of the eye. I'm sorry for believing I had to hold on so tightly. Under the eye. Please forgive me for forgetting my own worth. Under the nose. Thank you for reminding me that love flows when I'm calm. Chin. I love you, my heart. I am safe to let go. Collarbone. I am complete with or without SP. Underarm. I let go of the chase. Top of the head. I surrender to truth. I am loved already. Back to the side of the hand again. Even though I held on too tight, I now allow divine love to guide me. Even though I obsessed, I now choose gratitude, peace, trust, and faith. Even though I felt needy, I know I'm already loved and chosen. Now, inside the eyebrow, I'm sorry for forgetting my divine completeness. Side of the eye. Please forgive me for thinking I wasn't enough. Under the eye. Thank you for showing me how to come back to love. Under the nose. I love you, life. I love you, self. Chin. I feel peace filling me now. Collarbone. I allow my SP to show up freely and lovingly. That feels good. Underarm. I rest in divine timing and trust. Top of the head. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Okay, a couple deep breaths in. Couple deep breaths out. Another deep breath in. Another deep breath out. All right, that feels better. Shake it out if you need to shake anything out. I don't know. I don't normally do that, but I'm feeling like I just need to shake some stuff out today. And come here. Show you. You want to say hi? I know. This is Mango. He's yeah, I don't want to lock him in a room today. And I only have a window to get some videos done. I'm behind. I need to get some videos done. I know there's some other EFT tappings that people wanted me to do that didn't record right. So today's Halloween. Happy Halloween. We're going trick-or-treating later in a few hours. So yeah, if I locked him in a room, then you'd hear meow, meow, meow. So hope you don't mind. He'll be probably around me in these videos. So all right, well, repeat that if you need to do it a few times. Get that off your body, and ground yourself. Everything's gonna be okay. Let it go. You don't have to let go of your person, but just like try to work on that attachment, that needing it to happen, because that's repelling. It's repelling them. If you're like, really, I need to get them. So, all right, that's all I have to say. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.